1001 Solve Problems in Engineering Mathematics, Day 4, number 161 to 165. So this is all about work problems. Okay, so let's start. Number 161. It takes Myline twice as long as Jeana to do a certain piece of work. Working together, they can finish the work in 6 hours. How long would it take Jeana to do it alone? Okay, so magiging formula natin dito, dalawa lang silang nagtulong. So Myline and Jeana. So nagtulong sila, therefore ang formula natin ay 1 over m. Ang variable na gagamitin ko na lang ay yung first letter. So Myline, 1 over m plus 1 over j. J for Jeana equals yung together nila 1 over t. Okay, so kahit anong variable kasi pwedeng gamitin dito. So pwede yung mga first letter nila. Okay, so it takes Myline twice as long. So Myline twice as long as Jeana. So therefore, another equation natin ay Myline is equal to 2J. Kasi Myline, it takes Myline twice as long as Jeana. So M is equal to 2J, twice as long. Okay? So substitute natin ang mga given natin. Working together. So working together, they can finish the work in 6 hours. So therefore, 6 hours itong together natin. And then itong M equals 2J. So isubstitute natin itong 2J dito sa value ng M. Ang sinosolve natin, how long would it take Jeana to do it alone? So ito yung sinosolve natin, si Jeana. Okay, so substitute natin mga given. So we have 1 over, ang M natin ay 2J plus 1 over J equals, ang together ay 6 hours, 1 over 6. So just solve for J, multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. So LCD of 2J, J, and 6 ay 6J. So multiply both sides by 6J. Distribute this, so we have 6J divided by 2J, that will be 3, times 1, we have 3. Plus 6J divided by J, so maka-cancel out lang yung J, we have 6 times 1, so we have 6. Equals 6J divided by 6, cancel out 6, 1 times J is J. So therefore, yan agad ang sagot natin. Ang rate ni Jeana ay 3 plus 6 is 9. Ang rate naman ni Myline ay, so kung sinosolve ang rate ni Myline, Myline is 2J. So 9 times 2, we have 18. So mapapansin nyo, si Myline ay ayan, twice as long as Jeana. So ang nasa answer key kasi nito sa reviewer, ang sagot ay 18 hours. So siguro may correction lang doon. Ang tamang sagot ay si Jeana ay 9 hours. Ang kay Myline, baka kay Myline ang nasolve doon sa reviewer natin, kaya 18 hours yung nasa reviewer. So yun po ay rate ni Myline. Ang rate ni Jeana ay 9 hours lang. Kasi si Myline ay mas matagal siya, twice as long. So 18 dapat si Myline. Okay? So next number 162. Okay, so 162, Mike, Loui, and Joy can mow the lawn in 4, 6, and 7 hours respectively. What fraction of the yard can they mow in 1 hour if they work together? Okay, so ibig sabihin yan, respectively, so we have, ito ang rate ni Mike ay 4, si Loui ay 6, and then si Joy ay 7. So ang tinatanong, what fraction of the yard they can mow in 1 hour if they work together? So work together, so ibig sabihin ipa-plus natin yung rate lang nila. So 1 hour lang sila nagtulong-tulong. So therefore, ang magiging sagot lang dito ay i-add lang natin yung mga part ng work na magagawa sa loob ng isang oras. So isang oras si Mike ay 1/4. Si Loui sa isang oras ay 1/6. Plus si Joy naman ay 1/7. So they work together daw for 1 hour, kaya plus lang. So ito na yung sinosolve natin. O, lagyan natin ng X. Okay, so therefore, gagawin lang natin, i-add lang natin. So what is the LCD of this? Ang LCD nito, 6 and 7. Ang LCD ng 6 and 7 ay 42. Tapos meron pang 4 dito. So kasi yung 42, tapos ito pang 4. Ang LCD ng 42 and 4 ay hindi natin i-multiply ito kasi may common sila na 2. So 42 times 2 lang. So 42 times 2, yan ang ating magiging LCD. So para mas madali, gawin natin ang LCD ay pwedeng express tong 42 times 2 as ano na lang eh. So gawin natin 2 times 6 times 7 times 6 times 7. So yan, pwedeng ganyan lang tapos i-multiply na lang natin. So anyway, baka lalong mas malito doon. So gawin na lang natin, ang LCD ay 42 times 2, that is equal to 84. So gawin natin 84 lahat ang kanilang denominator. Okay? So 84 lahat ang denominator. So i-divide na lang natin ito. 84 divided by 4. So that is 21 times 1. We have still 21. 84 divided by 6. Sa 60 ay merong 10. So sa 24 divided by 6 we have 4. So 4 plus 10 we have 14. Plus 84 divided by 7. So sa 70 ay 10. May 14 pa. So we have 12. Okay, so next, i-add lang natin 21 plus 14 plus 12. So 21 plus 14 plus 12, that is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 2, we have 7, 4, 1, 2, 1, 1, so that is 4. Therefore, the correct answer is 47 over 84. So ito yung magagawa nila in 1 hour. If they work together, the correct answer is letter A, 47 over 84. Next number 163. A farmer can plow the field in 8 days. After working for 3 days, his son joins him and together they plow the field in 3 more days. How many days will it require for the son to plow the field alone? Okay, so ang gagamitin nating formula dito kasi hindi sila nagtulong simula sa umpisa. Nauna yung farmer. Farmer can plow the field in 8 days and then after working for 3 days. Nauna na ng 3 days si farmer. So mas magandang gamitin kapag ganyang hindi nagtulong simula sa umpisa ay yung isang formula na time is spent ni A or dito farmer. So time is spent ni farmer over rate ni farmer plus time is spent ni ano yung isa? His son. Ayan. So time is spent ni son. So S na lang ilalagay ko. T sub S over S is equal to 1. So yan ang gagamitin nating formula para dito. So time spent ni farmer over rate ni farmer. So ang rate ni farmer ay 8 days. Okay, so lagyan na natin dito over 8 plus ano ang rate ni son? Parang wala ang rate ni son dahil yun yung tinatanong. How many days will it require for the son to plow the field alone? So yun yung hinahanap natin. How many days will it require for the son? So lagyan natin ng S dyan equals 1. Then lagay natin yung total na nagawa nila. Total na yung araw. So we have a farmer can plow the field in 8 days. Ito na yun, over 8. After working for 3 days. So nauna na ng 3 days si farmer. So lagyan natin ito ng 3. And then sabi, his son joins him and together. Ayan, together. So ibig sabihin, maglalagay tayo dito sa numerator ng parehas na number. They plow the field in 3 more days. Ayan. 3 more days daw together. Okay? So time spent nila, parehas silang tig 3. So may naunang 3 si farmer tapos nag-work pa ulit siya ng 3. Tapos yung son niya ay 3 din. So therefore, yan ang ating working equation. 3 plus 3 we have 6 over 8 plus 3 over S equals 1. So just solve for S. So multiply both sides by the LCD. 8 times S. So LCD natin is 8S. Multiply both sides by 8S. So distribute this. So we have 8S divided by 8. Cancel out lang yung S. So we have S times 6. So we have 6S plus 8S. Distribute natin dito. 8S divided by S. Maka-cancel out lang yung S. We have 8 times 3. So that will be 24 equals 1 times 8S is 8S. So solve for S. Pagsamahin natin yung 6S at 8S by subtracting 6S to both sides. So therefore we have 24 is equal to 6S minus 8S minus 6S. We have 2S. Divide both sides by 2. Therefore, ang rate ni son ay equals 24 divided by 2, 12. The correct answer is letter C, 12. Next number 164. 164, crew number 1 can finish installation of an antenna to tower in 200 man-hour, while crew number 2 can finish the same job in 300 man-hour. How long will it take both crews to finish the same job working together? Okay, so working together, yun lang yung hinahanap natin dito. Crew number 1 and crew number 2, ano ang rate nila? Crew number 1 ay 200 man-hour while crew number 2 can finish the same job in 300 man-hour. So the formula will be 1 over A plus 1 over B equals together 1 over X na lang ilagay natin. So how long will it take both crews to finish the same job working together? So itong X ang hinahanap natin. Substitute lang natin yung rate nilang dalawa. So we have 1 over A, ang rate ni A ay 200, plus 1 over B, ang rate ni B ay 300, equals 1 over X. Solve for X. So what is the LCD of 200 and 300? The LCD is 600. Okay, so multiply. Distribute natin to. 600 divided by 200, that will be 3 times 1, 3 pa rin. Plus 600 divided by 300, that will be 2 times 1, we have 2, is equal to... Okay, nakalimutan natin yung X. Ang LCD natin is 600X. So sorry, may X dapat dito. So 600X. Para makancel itong X dito, 600. Tapos dito meron kakaroon tayo ng 3X and then we have 2X. So therefore, we have 3X times 2X. So we have 5X equals 600 and then divide both sides by 5. Therefore, the value of X is equal to 60 divided by 5, that is 12. So lagyan pa natin isang 0, 120. The correct answer is letter B, 120 man-hour. So last number for this video, number 165. On one job, 2 power shovels excavate 20,000 cubic meters of earth. The larger shovel working 40 hours and the smaller for 35 hours. On another job, they remove 40,000 cubic meters with the larger shovel working 70 hours and the smaller working 90 hours. How much earth can each remove in 1 hour working alone? So ang problem na ito ay magiging, iba yung formula natin dito, magiging system of equation ito. Okay, so magiging system of equation ito. So we have, on one job, 2 power shovels excavate 20,000 cubic meters of earth. So the larger shovel, we have 40 hours sa larger shovel, smaller shovel naman ay 35 hours. So therefore, ilet natin ang X ay sa larger. Ito yung capacity of the larger shovel. So X is the larger shovel and Y is the smaller shovel. So capacity of the shovels in cubic meter per hour. So ang kailangan lang natin gawin, so tinatanong how much earth can each remove in 1 hour working along. So i-multiply lang natin yan dito sa given natin. So on one job, 2 power shovels excavate 20,000 cubic meters of earth. The larger shovels 40. So multiply lang natin yung 40 kay larger. So that is 40x. Plus, si smaller daw ay 35 hours. So 35y equals yung sa total nila na 20,000. So this will be our equation number 1. And then equation number 2, on another job, they remove 40,000 cubic meters with the larger shovel working 70 hours. So 70 hours daw si larger, so we have 70x plus si smaller naman ay 90 hours. And then yung total nila ay 40,000. Okay, so 40,000 cubic meters, so equation number 2. So system of equation lang ito, isolve lang natin ang value ng X and Y. So anong magandang gamitin dito? Pwede tayong mag-substitution dito. Pwedeng substitution, pwedeng elimination. So depende sa inyo kung ano yung gagamitin nyo. Parang medyo mahirap sa elimination, no? Kasi 70 and 40. So kailangan maging 280 ito. Kailangan parehas magmumultiply. So maganda siguro isolve na lang natin yung X sa equation number 1. So itong equation number 1, solve natin si X dito. Equation number 1. So solve for X, subtract natin both sides by 35y. So dito ko na ilalagay. So we have 40x. So itong 35y, ilipat natin sa kabila. So we have 40x is equal to 20,000 minus 35y. And then divide both sides by 40. So divide both sides natin by 40 para makuha natin yung value ng x. X is equal to, so cancel out natin itong 0. 20 divided by 4, that is equal to 5. May dalawa pang 0, so we have 500. 500 minus 35 divided by 40. So that is 7 over 8. Pag dinivide pareha sa 5, and that is equal to 0.875y. Okay? So ngayon, itong value ng x na 500 minus 0.875y ay isa-substitute natin sa x ni equation number 2. Okay, so therefore we have 70. Multiply natin sa x, ang value na ni x ay 500 minus 0.875y plus, copy the rest, so we have 90y equals 40,000. Then, distribute lang natin to. So we have 70 times 500. So 7 times 5, that is 35. Ilang zero ba yan? Tatlong zero. So we have 35,000 minus 70 times 0.875y. So pwedeng i-calculator na lang natin yan. So we have 70 times 0.875. That is equal to 61.25. Okay? So 61.25. Okay, so napalipat na agad. 61.25y plus 90y equals 40,000. So solve for y, combine lang natin yung dalawang y. So we have, or at the same time, subtract na tayo ng 35,000 both sides. So subtract na tayo ng 35,000 sa both sides. And then ito i-combine natin. So therefore we have 90y minus 61.25. So this will be 90 minus 60, that is 30. So meron pang 61. So that is magiging 28.75y equals 40,000 minus 35. That will be 5,000. Okay, and next, divide both sides by 28.75. 28.75. Yan na ang magiging value ng y natin. Y therefore equals, so divide lang natin, 5,000 divided by 28.75. That is equal to, yun, so 173.9 pag ni-round off natin. So tingin tayo sa choices. Okay, so ang choices natin ay 1 decimal lang. So 173.9. So yun na yung magiging answer natin. So ang value ng y ay 173.9 cubic meter ito. Cubic meter per hour. So dahil nasa choices na yung 173.9, pwede nang hindi isolve yan. Automatic ang sagot na dyan. Isa lang naman yung may 173.9 letter C na yan. Pag gusto nyo isolve yung value ni x, isubstitute lang natin dito. X is equal to 500 minus 0.875. Multiply natin sa value ni y na 173.9. So magiging sagot natin dito ay 347.8. So i-type nyo lang sa calculator nyo yan. Makukuha nyo ay mali pala, baligtad, 374.8. Or parang nagkamali ata ako ng type dito. So tingnan nga natin. So we have 500 minus 0.875 times 173.9 equals 347. So 347.83. 347.83 dapat. So may typo nga ako dito. 347.8. So typo ko ito. So dapat ito ay 347. So 374 yung nailagay ko. 347.8. The correct answer is letter C. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching and kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod pang reviewer para sa engineering mathematics. So good luck po sa lahat ng nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.